Hello viewers, welcome to yet another edition of Raxio Hour, where we bring you all the latest developments happening at Uganda's first Tier 3 and truly neutral enterprise-grade data center facility. This week, we find out how far we've come and what's left to be done at the Raxio Data Centre construction site in Namamve. Mr. Abdul Rahman Baguma Ahmed, the Vice President, Technology and Operations at Raxio Data Centre, tells us more.
Ahmed, VP Technology and Operations at Raxio Data Centres. Right now, as you can see, the project, we are talking about 70% completion. Majority of the equipment are already on site. As we've witnessed, Umeme has installed the RMU and the metering unit. So right now the foot is on the pedal. We are trying to push for majority of the works to be concluded. So we are ready by October, mid-October or beginning of October. It's just the finishing bit, the external finishing, the gangways within the data hall. Painting, as you can see, the office area already has windows in place, and the external works. So we are looking at those areas to be concluded. Where I'm standing now are the ISC bases. By tomorrow they will be done with the next two, and the ISCs are arriving within a week's time. So we will place them in their own place as they arrive. So are the water tanks as well. Our client can expect by October to have a ready data center.
Thanks, Abdul. Up next, we connect with our local fiber carrier partners, SEACOM, via Zoom video call. Mr. Tonny Tugee, the regional head of business at SEACOM Limited, talks to us about the significance of extending fiber to Raxio Data Centre and what this means for the tech industry.
Thank you very much. My name is Tonny Tugee, and I'm the head of regional business in SEACOM East Africa. So I look after the wider Eastern African market. Thank you very much. As you would know, SEACOM is a Pan-African telecom operator that owns and operates a very extensive ICT data infrastructure network. And this network starts with the submarine fiber optic cable network that has been in existence for the last 11 years now. This submarine cable connects Southern Africa coastline into East Africa all the way into Europe, and is also part of the West Africa cable system, creating a ring architecture around Africa, literally connecting Africa into the rest of the world. Besides the submarine cable, SEACOM also operates a fiber optic backbone network that runs from Mombasa in Kenya coastline all the way to Rwanda in Kigali, traversing through Nairobi and in Kampala. The idea behind this backbone network is to ensure that we're able to deliver service closer to our customers. Beyond the backbone network, we also run and operate metro fiber network in conjunction with other partners. And this metro network extends to businesses and extends into data centers that exist in the different cities. And the idea behind this is to create a design that is quite robust, that is able to then deliver connectivity into businesses in a more efficient way. With this sort of design, SEACOM is able to deliver very flexible and high quality internet service and cloud services to businesses. One of the strategic decisions that SEACOM took is to work with partners to be able to drive internet penetration in Africa. And so Raxio is one such partner who has put together a very high quality world-class data center. And therefore we are very excited to be able to work with Raxio to serve the market. And then this will enable us to be able to deliver internet services to our key customers in the market, including mobile network operators, enterprise customers, and even global carriers who are running and serving the market in the region. So our partnership will ensure that we further drive penetration of internet in Uganda and the rest of the Eastern African countries. We broadly have two segments of our customers. One is what is defined as a service provider, and in the industry is traditionally called the wholesale segment of the business. And this comprises of mobile network operators. It has the ISPs. It also comprises of global operators. So this has been the traditional market segment of partners that we continue to serve for the last 11 years. Recently, we extended our services to enterprises. That is to mean that we are able to sell directly into the different verticals or enterprise customers in the market. And this includes, for example, the financial sector. So your major banks and insurance can leverage the communication services that we are able to deliver. Multinational corporations, for example, who have a presence in more than one country, say in Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania, is able to leverage the SEACOM network and be able to then run their business efficiently. We also serve governments directly. So these are the two main segments of business customers that we serve in the market. I would classify our offerings into three broad categories. One, of course, is just providing internet connectivity, and this could be either IP transit internet or even African transit. So any of these segments of the business is able to buy to consume services that is offered by SEACOM directly. The second service that we offer into the market is what we call Ethernet over Mpls. This means that we are able to connect businesses across cities or across geographies. Take an example of a multinational that has a presence in all the Eastern African countries. It means that using this robust network that SEACOM owns and operates, this business is able to connect its different offices in the different countries and be able to continue to offer services to their customers efficiently. The other service that we do offer is cloud services. And this one has different flavors, one of which is the ability to connect businesses into the major hyperscale cloud providers, such as AWS or Microsoft. So using our infrastructure, we can connect any business directly into the cloud instance in any part of the world. And you could also, have hosted cloud services, or just having what is called business continuity, such as hosted security, virtual machines. So all the flavors of cloud services that a customer would be looking for is available from SEACOM, and it is run and operated very efficiently using this robust fiber network that has been built. Yeah, indeed, SEACOM is a member of most of the internet exchange points in Africa and in Europe. The idea behind this is to ensure that we are part of the ecosystem to be able to create efficiency around exchanging data and information with other operators. So, for example, being a member of Uganda Internet Exchange Point ensures that we are able to then exchange traffic with other local operators within the country. There is data that is not destined to get out of the country. For example, a customer has operations within Uganda and is exchanging data with its customers within the country. So we're going to leverage our membership in the Uganda Exchange Point to be able to hand over that data efficiently within the country, and therefore creating a secure network and an efficient way of exchanging data without necessarily getting out of the country. So we continue to work with the internet exchange points, and we really appreciate what Uganda Exchange Point is doing, bringing all the operators together in a single room so that it creates that network efficiency to be able to exchange data. I would like to say that we are indeed very excited to be partnering with the Raxio, and wish to congratulate them for putting up a fantastic world-class data center, which has really raised the bar in terms of the quality of data center in East Africa. And we are confident that the journey of digital transformation in Africa is going to gain immensely by having such fantastic facilities. So all the best to Raxio, even as you take off and then you kickstart your services in Uganda and the rest of East Africa.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us on our social media platforms at Raxio UG on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn for more exciting updates. Until next time, sanitize, wear your mask, maintain social distancing and stay safe.